How to add a full website background in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a full website background in Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first, you can log into your Wix account. After that, you can choose the website you want to make the full uh, website background. And after that, you can go ahead to the edit side here. You can click it and then it will brings you to the website editor, and as you can see, this is the page I want to add the full website background. This is thank you page, and before we start to make it a full website background, you have to make sure that's only one section here. So this is the only one section because this is the footer. So if you have another section, you can delete it and then, make it one section. And then you can select the section, you can click it. And then in this option, you will see the background section. You can add image here, you can click it. And then you have options to choose the image from Wix, from Shutterstock, or Unpress. It's up to you. So I'm gonna choose from Wix. So let's say, this one is for example, and then click change background. And as you can see, it's done. I already changed my website background. So this is my full website background. If you want to change with the other image, you can just repeat the process. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.